Now, Tiger Brands' footprint extends across the African continent and beyond. It's one of the largest manufacturers and marketers of FMCG products in Southern Africa.
Yes.
And we're talking about it. Why?
Well, that's the problem. So I added it to the list of stocks to discuss on this particular show.
Because you assumed it had a coffee offering.
Exactly, only to find that unfortunately the closest thing it's got to a coffee brand is that it sells chocolates through its Beacon
That's a bit of a
Sweets division.
stretch in terms of our coffee theme.
It doesn't even have biscuits. It doesn't even have any coffee creamer type of business. We're going to see that in a minute with AVI.
So
But
we're
let's
talking
talk
about this
it
one
anyway.
because you think it should have coffee exposure. Is that where we're going?
Yeah, I suppose so.
We're gonna have
Its
to-
biggest strength, of course, are in maize and wheat-related products, mealie-pup, and then pasta, and then rice products, and all sorts of things like that, basic foodstuffs. And then it's got the perishables division, which is the name that it gives to Enterprise, Escort, all those kind of sausages and that sort of thing. And then a bunch of other things, of course, Oros and other sorts of beverages.
Market cap 56.7 billion rand, PE here 16.3 and a dividend yield of 3.2%.
Yeah, and a share price chart that's less, the market's a little bit worried about this one, and I'm a little worried about it too as well. I'm
Take it that you're
afraid-
not exposed and neither are your clients exposed
No,
to
we
this
are,
one?
in fact. So the worry is quite a real and present issue. It's under-delivered recently. It's had a very disastrous entry into the Nigerian market where they bought Dangote flour mills, and they found that the business really wasn't what they
So
expected.
we're seeing write down after write down coming out of that territory.
And obviously, you know, write-down's one thing, but potential ongoing losses from that division, which is a bit of a depressing scenario.
But no indication that they're going to pull out of Nigeria.
I don't think so, because I think they've done the hard yards now, and they want to, like I said about Nestle, be actually manufacturing in these regions, not just be a product dropper. They also had a East Africa write-down related to financial results in their last set of results. And I think the management team under Peter Matlara and Funke Ngodoro are coming under a bit of pressure. We've had a
Peter's been
few
at the helm
comments
for some time now.
from international investors saying they weren't comfortable with the presentation and the nature of the tone that was being adapted in the results. Look, at the end of the day, it's got fabulous brands. It's a sizable operation. It will come right. They will sort out their problems. It's just inevitable that they will. But
Or not on
for the
Tiger
moment,
Brands.
I'm leaning towards not hot, I'm afraid, on this one, after many years of being a big supporter.